everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the finished product for the project for this video. If you are interested in how I got these results, please stick around and keep watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys. For this project, you're going to want Mod Podge. I am using the satin finish, a paintbrush, and a bottle of your choosing or a cup or whatever it is that you did want to use. You will want the layers of Mod Podge to be thin, that way they will dry quicker. Once you've coated the entire bottle, you can go ahead and take your glitter, as you see me doing here now, and just cover the bottle. Now for this project, this is just like a little personal art thing. If you did want to keep it nice and neat, you could put tape over the labels or completely remove the labels and create a new label if that's what you wanted to do, but here I did not do that. Here I am just adding a second layer of Mod Podge, and that is just so that I can, one, add more glitter, and two, if that's just the final layer of glitter you wanted, it would kind of act like a sealant so that the glitter wouldn't get on your fingers when you pick up the item. Here I am just going to add a third layer of Mod Podge. This is going to be my final layer. It's to seal the bottle so that there's no transfer of glitter whenever the bottle is touched or moved somewhere. And like I said before, this is a satin finish. They do have gloss and glitter finish and all kinds of other finishes from the brand Mod Podge. I guess that's the brand. So if you were interested in having a more glossy finish or a glitter finish, I mean, it is a glitter bottle, but if you wanted more glitter, I think they definitely do have those. For this next part, I'm doing something I haven't really done before, and you'll need a hot glue gun, you'll need some like scissors, and you'll need whatever kind of jewels or bling that you wanted to add to the bottle. And this is just to dress it up a little bit. I think the bottles are really great without them, but this is just something I wanted to try to add this go around. In this clip, I am basically deciding if I want a more thick or thin line of the bling going around the edge of the label, and I decided to go with just one strip of bling per edge. And so right now I'm just cutting it, and then I am going to take it and measure the bling against the size of the label. And once I have that there, I will cut the piece of bling that I don't need anymore. And next, I am going to take a hot glue gun and I am going to just glue basically a line of hot glue across the top where I do plan to place the bling. This was my first time using this hot glue gun in a while, and it's a super old one, probably like about the same age as me. And it was an old glue stick, so the glue didn't really cooperate as much as I wanted it to, but this is just the method that I felt comfortable with using, so that's what I did. There are other ways that you could do this, but this is just the one that I chose. So here's my finished product, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys!